To see how to fix laptop not connecting to Wi-Fi. So first we need to go to settings, go to system settings and go to troubleshoot. In this other troubleshoot is tab, click it, and here you can see network and internet setting is tab, click run. It will troubleshooting the network and internet setting. Yes, now you can see troubleshooter and give a result. So this first method you can do it. Yes, and also test the network speed, and after if it's not work, then go to second method. In this you need to go to control panel, and go to network and internet setting and go to network and sharing center. In this left side you can see the change adapter setting is there, click it and go to Wi-Fi and click right click, disable it and wait for a few seconds and then again enable it. Once enable complete, after again right click and go to properties, and this IPv4 is there. Go to properties and use the following DNS server address is there. Enable it and type the enter 88888844. Type it and click OK and check now it's working or not. Still you have same issue, means go to the third method, go to device manager and go to the network adapters, and in this your Wi-Fi adapter is there. Go to MediaTek Wi-Fi adapters and update the driver. Yes, once update completed, then go to scan for hardware changes. If this method is not work, then go for fourth method, go to services, click services, and you need to scroll down and scroll down. You can see the Windows, you can see WLAN auto config is there. Click it and go to properties and go to automatic, and it should be in running mode. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode, and click and apply, and again right click and go to restart. Once it's completed, if check if still have same issue, go for fifth method, go to network and internet settings and go to advanced network settings. In this network reset is there, click it and network reset now is there, click it.